Are you tired of weeds germinating in your living space and unsure what to do? You're in luck. If you don't want to use chemical weed killers that could harm you and the environment, this video is for you. We'll show you easy and effective ways to eliminate those pesky weeds. Here are the best natural ways to eliminate weeds. 1. Spray them with vinegar. Vinegar is a versatile home ingredient that can kill weeds in your garden. It contains acetic acid, which destroys the weed's leaves and roots upon contact. To use vinegar as a weed killer, spray it directly onto the plant or pour it onto the soil and surrounding weeds. You can also mix vinegar with liquid soap for a high-level solution. For best results, use vinegar with a higher percentage of acetic acid, at least 5%, and apply on a sunny day when the plant is actively growing. Remember that vinegar can also damage desirable plants if it comes into contact with them. So, be careful when using it to kill weeds. So to make the solution, use distilled white vinegar, salt, and liquid dish soap in your garden sprayer or a spray bottle. Use horticultural vinegar for additional strength. Spray the leaves and stems of the weeds with your solution on a calm sunny day. Reapply the vinegar solution every 2 to 3 days until the weeds die out. 2. Use table salt. Table salt can kill existing weeds or prevent new ones from growing. When using salt as a weed killer, apply it directly to the weed and avoid getting it on any surrounding plants or soil. It can harm beneficial plants and microorganisms in the ground. One way to use salt as a weed killer is by mixing it with hot water and spraying it on the weeds. You can mix it with liquid soap for a better effect. This method works best for small weeds that are easy to target. Another option is to sprinkle salt directly onto the soil around the weeds, being careful not to get too close to desirable plants. When using salt as a preventative measure, spray it along the edges of garden beds or between pavers where weeds tend to grow. However, remember that high salt concentrations in the soil can also affect plant growth and should be used sparingly. Overall, using salt as a natural weed control method requires careful application, but can be an effective solution for maintaining a healthy garden. So to make the solution, dissolve about 200 grams of salt in 1 liter of water and spray it onto any plants you hope to kill. Some gardeners will add a white vinegar solution to the concoction to work as a herbicide. The ideal time to apply the spray is after the morning dew or in drizzly weather. 3. Spray borax on the weeds. Borax, also known as sodium borate, is a naturally occurring mineral used for centuries as a cleaning and laundry detergent. However, it can also serve as an herbicide to kill weeds. To use borax, mix 10 ounces of borax with 2.5 gallons of water and stir until the borax dissolves completely. Then, transfer the solution into a spray bottle and apply it directly to the base and leaves of the weeds. While borax can kill weeds, it can also harm other plants if not applied correctly. Therefore, you should only use it in areas with no desired vegetation nearby. Besides, don't overuse it because it can lead to soil contamination. 4. Use boiling water. Boiling water is a simple and effective way to get rid of weeds. It's easy to do and works by cooking the plant from the roots to the stem and leaves. To use boiling water on weeds, boil some water in a kettle or pot and then carefully pour it over the unwanted plants. Be sure to avoid any nearby desirable plants, as well as yourself. Boiling can kill beneficial microbes in the soil, so it's not a good idea to use it too often or in large amounts. However, boiling water is excellent for spot treatments on sidewalks or driveways. 5. Mulching. Mulching involves covering the soil around plants and trees with an organic material layer. This method uses brown cardboard, grass clippings, shredded leaves, wood chips, or straw. Mulching helps prevent seed growth by blocking sunlight from reaching the seeds in the soil. It can eventually lead to the death and decomposition of these seeds, improving the soil. In addition to weed prevention, mulching helps retain moisture in the ground, reducing the need for frequent watering. The organic mulching material also breaks down over time and adds nutrients to the soil, improving plant health. While mulching can smother weeds, don't pile materials against tree trunks or plant stems because it can cause rotting. Spread a thin layer of approximately 2 to 3 inches evenly around plants and trees for best results. 6. Corn gluten meal. Corn gluten meal is like birth control for seeds. Sprinkle it on exposed areas of your garden to prevent weed seeds from germinating and growing into plants. Of course, corn gluten meal might keep other seeds from germinating too, so don't try this method in your vegetable garden until your plants are established and you've finished planting seeds. 7. Newspaper. To prepare a garden bed for planting, smother weeds and prevent new ones from growing by covering the soil with old newspapers or cardboard. A thick layer of newspaper, most of today's inks and paper are non-toxic, will keep sunlight from reaching weed seeds so they can't sprout. First, remove any visible weeds and wet the soil, and then lay your newspaper down, wetting it thoroughly again before covering it with mulch. This is a great way to recycle, and as a bonus, you'll be encouraging earthworms to come and stay. 8. Weed torch. A weed torch works by heating the water inside the cells of plants. When the water turns to steam, the cells explode and the plant dies. You don't need to char the weeds, just wilt them. This takes some practice, but it is very effective. Use caution with this method, especially on windy days or in drought-prone areas. Don't ever use it on poison ivy or other poisonous plants, because it can release their oils into the air and ultimately into your eyes or lungs. Finally, bear in mind that the torch's heat can melt plastic borders and landscape fabrics. 9. Ground covers. Weeds mostly attack bare, open soil. Protect these weed-prone sites with ground covers, which are low-growing plants that spread across and close to the soil, making it more difficult for weed seeds to get through. Plus, if these seeds do try to take root, they receive little to no light. As a bonus, you get to buy and enjoy some new plants that add evergreen or flowering color. The best ground cover for your garden depends on your growing zone and where you need the greenery. Some good candidates include creeping thyme, especially between walkway stones, bugleweed, which thrives in shade, and ice plant, a sun and heat-loving succulent. 10. Pulling and digging them out. Pulling and digging out weeds is one of the most effective natural ways to eliminate them from your garden or lawn. It is a manual method that requires physical effort, but you can do it with tools like a trowel or weeding fork. When pulling out weeds, grab the entire plant, including its roots. If you only remove the leaves, the weed will grow back again quickly. The best time to pull out weeds is after rain, when the soil is moist and soft. It makes it easier to dig them out without damaging nearby plants' roots. You can also use a hoe to loosen up the soil around the weed before pulling it out entirely. Be careful not to disturb other plants in your garden while doing this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 ways to kill weeds naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.